Mastering irregular comparisons. Good, better, best. Hello, language explorers. Welcome back to our series on English language learning. Today, we're delving into the exciting world of irregular comparisons. Specifically, we'll master the use of the words good, better, and best. Remember, English is full of exceptions, and that's what makes it both challenging and fascinating. So, let's get started. In English, when we compare things, we generally add or est to adjectives, like big, bigger, and biggest. But some words don't follow this rule. They change completely. We call these irregular comparisons. Our focus today, good, better, best, is a classic example of this irregularity. Good is an adjective, better is the comparative form, and best is the superlative form. So instead of saying gooder and goodest, which are incorrect, we say better and best. Understanding is good, but practice is even better. Let's look at how we use good, better, and best in sentences. 1. Good. She is a good singer. 2. Better. She is a better singer than I am. 3. Best. She is the best singer in our school. Notice how good is used when describing one thing or person. Better is used when comparing two things or people. And best is used when comparing more than two things or people. Here are a couple of mistakes often made and how you can avoid them. 1. Remember, good is an adjective and well is an adverb. So, it's wrong to say, I play football good. The correct sentence would be, I play football well. 2. Don't mix better and best. Best is only used when you're comparing more than two things or people. If you're comparing only two, always use better. And that's a wrap. You've now mastered the irregular comparison of good, better, best. Remember, learning a language is like painting a masterpiece. It's all about patience and practice. Make sure you use these words in your everyday conversations to really cement your understanding. Till our next video, keep practicing, keep exploring, and remember, the best way to learn is to enjoy the journey. Happy learning, everyone!